Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming the G920 is connected and recognized. This prevents changing the wrong device. Once done, open Assetto Corsa and navigate to Options, then Controls, then Wheel. This is where force feedback lives. Make sure your steering and pedals register in the calibration area so settings apply correctly. You do this first because Assetto Corsa locks some options until the game sees a valid wheel. Now proceed to the actual force feedback controls. Now you change the specific parameters. Move the master force feedback slider to 0% to stop the main effect. Then reduce curb, road, slip, and force sliders individually to 0 so no secondary cues remain. This ensures corners and vibrations stop. If Assetto Corsa shows FLT or CTE toggles, switch them off because they can reintroduce torque. Make sure gamma or gain values are also zeroed. After adjusting, test briefly in a low-speed session to confirm it's silent. Finish by saving your profile and restarting the game so Assetto Corsa writes the changes. Then test on a low-speed track and check the garage telemetry to confirm no force feedback is transmitted. If you still feel torque, open Logitech G Hub and verify wheel effects are at 0 and firmware is current. Input layers like Steam or Xbox emulation can override settings, so disable them. If needed, reinstall the Logitech drivers and then reapply zeros. That clears stubborn FFB sources.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.